Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Yahoo Finance for Stocks Easy Guide. Open Yahoo Finance and sign in to create a custom watch list right away. Use the search bar to find a ticker, then explore Summary, Chart, News, and Key Stats tabs. Pin important metrics and set price alerts so you can react quickly. I'll walk through chart tools, comparisons, and basic research tips you can use every day. In this video, I will show how to use Yahoo Finance for Stocks Easy Guide. On a stock page, start with the summary to see price, change, and quick stats. Switch to the interactive chart to zoom timeframes, add moving averages, and compare tickers side by side. Review the Statistics and Financials tabs for P/E, EPS, revenue, and balance sheet items to understand valuation and fundamentals before making notes. In this video, I will show how to use Yahoo Finance for Stocks Easy Guide. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is perfect for commuters who want a pleasant ride while researching tickers and charts. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use Yahoo Finance for Stocks Easy Guide. Start by creating watch lists for different ideas and portfolios to keep things organized. Use screeners to filter by market cap, price, dividend yield, or sector, and save your filters. Set price or news alerts so you receive updates when a stock moves or a headline drops. These simple tools help you stay informed without constant checking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.